Today, we're diving into the latest update from OpenAI, GPT-4o. If you're curious about what this means for users and how you can leverage its new features, keep watching. GPT-4o is the newest flagship model from OpenAI, designed to be much faster and more efficient than its predecessors. This update isn't just about speed. It's about smarter interactions across text, voice, and even image discussions. Speaking of which, one of the most exciting aspects of GPT-4o is its ability to understand and interact with images better than ever. You can take a photo, upload it, and receive insightful responses about its content. As you can see right here, here's an example, and see, this is what ChatGPT 4o have improved with its content itself. Yeah, there we go. Plus, not only that, GPT 4o supports more than 50 languages, making it more accessible to users worldwide. And there's more. Soon, you'll be able to have natural voice conversations and real-time video interactions with ChatGPT. Unfortunately, during this time of filming, that feature is currently not available for desktop users, so we might as well wait for further updates. In the meantime, it is available on the ChatGPT mobile app. GPT-4o is rolling out to ChatGPT Plus and Team users first, with plans to extend access eventually to free users. While free users will experience some usage limits, they can still enjoy many of the advanced features that were previously exclusive to paying customers, like, for example, Explore GPTs and the memory feature. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Plus and Team users now get access to other features like data analysis and the ability to chat about photos. There's also a new ChatGPT Desktop for macOS users, integrating seamlessly with your computer for even easier access. As for desktop users, it's currently not available, but according to OpenAI, it is set to release this year. The new update introduces a simplified, friendlier user interface. You'll notice a redesigned home screen and a more conversational layout, making your interactions more engaging. To ensure these new features, make sure to sign up or log in at chatgpt.com. Stay tuned for more updates as OpenAI continues to roll out new capabilities.